Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can log out your account on Discord, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to log out your account on Discord, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to go to your Discord settings. So for that, just click this settings icon at the bottom left side of your screen. And once you've opened your settings, next, I want you to scroll down this left side menu to the bottom and then you will now see the logout option right here. So you can now click it. And then Discord will ask you for confirmation if you really want to log out your account. By the way guys, before confirming this, I want you to make sure that you really remember the login credentials of your account such as your email and password. That way, you will avoid completely losing your Discord account. But if you're already sure that you remember your login credentials, you can now click this button. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Discord account will now be logged out just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.